Hi Anne, this is my ring bender. You can see I've got the flat die in there right now. I took a couple of still shots so you can see it better than this video, but it doesn't have super sharp edges. They're kind of rounded down a bit. They will still mark your metal if your metal's too tight in there. This is a half round die, which might be good for you. I don't think I've ever used it, but you can see it's got rounded depressions, and again the edges aren't super sharp on this, but I've never used it. I'm used to this one because I use a lot of rectangle stock. You had mentioned that you were having problems moving the die all the way over because of where these screws are located, and that's true. However, I don't usually move mine all the way over. I kind of balance it on the screws so I can slide it to about here. And then if I put this down, you can see that I still have room to put my metal in here and here. And because the screw is right on the end, it's not going to move around when I try to use the machine. This piece of metal here is about 3/8 inches wide. You can see I'll still be able to get it in there. When I use leather strips, and this is a piece of leather I've been using for a little while, I usually have this slid over just so that there's more room to accommodate both the leather and the metal that I'm putting in there. I get my leather from Michaels. They have scraps, which just have odd shaped pieces. Some are thick, some are thin. But I think it's about $6, and I probably won't run out for a couple years now. So it's a good, cheap investment. Let's see if I can actually bend this. This is rectangle stock. It's probably about 2 millimeters thick, and I just sort of cut it at random.